Installation instructions for the universal hardware, heavy-duty, passage, privacy, keyed entry, and storeroom levers.
These levers are UL listed, ANSI Grade 2, and ADA compliant, and can be installed on right or left-hand doors between 1 3/8 inches to 2 inches thick, with a fixed 2 3/4 inch back set. Here are the tools required for installation. The lever comes with everything else you will need. Preparing the door. If your door is already prepared, continue on to installation. If not, use the provided template to mark and drill the appropriate holes for your door. Install the latch into the hole on the edge of the door. Make sure the angled face of the latch bolt is facing the door jamb. Using 2 of the AA latch screws, fasten the latch to the door with a Phillips head screwdriver. Next, install the strike box and strike onto the door jamb and secure with the 2 remaining AA screws. To install the exterior assembly, first, remove the exterior lever. Insert the key and rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. While the key is turned, insert the push pin into the hole on the side of the exterior lever and depress the catch. Now, remove the exterior lever. Remove the exterior rose with spring cage. Determine the thickness of your door. You will need to adjust the base plate on the chassis accordingly. First, rotate the base plate to its furthest position. Using the provided door thickness guide, place the dotted line of your door thickness next to the edge of the chassis body and rotate the base plate back to the required distance. Rotate to D for 2 inches. Rotate to C for 1 3/4 inches. Rotate to B for 1 9/16 inches. Or rotate to A for a 1 3/8 inch thick door. Once properly adjusted, reinstall the exterior rose and spring cage. Be sure to align the tab on the exterior spring cage to the channel on the side of the exterior spindle, and align the 4 slots on the base plate to the 4 raised spots on the rose. Rotate the base plate slightly to match, if necessary. Reinstall the exterior lever. Slide the lever onto the spindle until it stops. Then, rotate the key 90 degrees clockwise and push the lever until it locks into place. Rotate the key back and remove. Install the exterior assembly. Check that the chassis is properly connected to the latch. The latch tail should be inserted into the retractor, and the prongs of the latch are between the retractor and chassis body. You can rotate the lever to see if the latch operates correctly. Install the anti-rotation plate with the words "Against door" towards the door. Secure with the 2 cc mounting screws. Next, install the interior spring cage. Be sure the tab aligns with the slot on the interior spindle. Secure with the 2 BB mounting screws. Install the interior rose by aligning the dimples on the rose with the slots on the spring cage. Then rotate the rose so it snaps into place. Finally, push the interior lever completely onto the spindle until it locks into place. For locking functions, check that once the door is closed, the deadlocking plunger on the latch should be retracted. Your new universal hardware heavy-duty lever is now ready for use.